ne tungwan gor kano de ka gor yes gor che je no gor ka je che je me mo go ma de technology de ka kan problem gor go but me che ben ka sure alo ku ning nat ku ka sham like you are scammer especially kan de ti shal ka ti prophet nike fake prophet they are trying so hard no they can take away me they can bible they can turn and no they can get kaje while people know already know can they are fake, they are scammer. Sham can people to quiz Bible, quiz a lot take din already take a mess up. Allo me chu guje dong, siu jag dong te nyang de jale no win ray wa yo chabin yo I may be in a go, be guje no quotation. I can tell you my brother and sister, couldn't already chag already, a take a tet do a taking as to. There's nothing. Madero golka ger kod nyala nan ci chak kun yalti la du mono bitu go bi kala is your problem and ojin mi shi goro bi mu go bi la is not God problem you know kan ojin bro jago baji mislead kan this fake prophet tine the Georgia tenyen na you know of course in Bible titing want to get into lot no the gor che jak me mo go de gor and I agree with that but me mo is coming especially these people are right no et mission and like spiritually shinatin and these are called ke witch ke devil people te ku goro sham kana ko bangan mandan lat kana ano me mo go adara go but when it come ko drama ba goro ko ngwa ko le jige jog do ko le cham gwa mi mo chelet ku jira la deka is there sitting in the church libenin in dang baro no te yor ba no don't they feel ashamed chicken poach and please lade ko lade janan chalaro ko nyal no na let that's not a work anybody ko nyal share put du melat kano to yene lat ke tijek to pale ke shiri melat yen la pale tijek this is the way of God you know she kan ko laro chamanya ko yene kam ya bang le to loro bang and why you begging for money can it in continent innocent people le yedu den le chamano ai charge le ne you know mu na mele bina metena na ye cha home no yeneden kono dong telemutu okaya de la ne telemutu okaya neden content video bikan sharken bikan galat ka gwan jengne no muom ne ka gwada dan shik ne ti shiguru ni jengwak bika ya palu ka zero redeka bialo do na lora bang please wake up